Ready them ready, you guys. You don't know how to go at work already?
Okay.
Fully cooked. Taste it and show them, my boss. Hi.
And even the spice. Yo, people.
Guys, are them food they are king food. Remember king are vegan, you know.
Hey.
Give them piece of the again. Give them piece of the
bang.
Aye.
They are with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get a head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What do them? You think I chattings?
Get on the breadfruit dance. Hey.
Just tell me if you want.
Come now, Joe. Hey. Yo, hey. Catch a dance for them called breadfruit. Roast or fry. Roast or fry. Hey. Roast.
Hey. Yo.
Hey.
Them dead. E-E-N-D.
My dancer, man. Give them piece more now.
Yeah, mix up, you know. You.
Give them piece more. Give them some of the.
Mix up. You are mix up.
Give them some.
You love embarrass me.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
You are mix up.
Give them some.
You love embarrass me.
Guys, me and a dance about my whip bus piece I dance for no.
Oh my God.
Guys, me and a dance about my whip bus piece I dance for no.
Yeah, practice.
Yeah. I can do my thing, you know, I can do my thing, but me I just no pro. You know?
James Brown drop that, but get them while ago now.
Yeah. Aye. Hey, don't play now. Yeah, guys. You're so nice. Nowhere else.
Nowhere else.
Nowhere else.
Talk to me, hey.
Yes, guys, I don't know.
Tell me.
Breadfruit, them are going good.
Smoke out. Them say, wicked people afraid of fire.
True?
Me not afraid of fire.
Okay. I will heap of people me here say that too.
No, I'm not a fan. I love smoke.
Come get a piece of the dance, though, man. Come get a piece of the. Hey. Aye, Jackson. Hey, we're dancing dynamite there.
I enter next year.
Mm-hmm.
You know, come watch me.
Yeah.
Enter dancing dynamite next year. Must win.
Yeah, my boss. Comment down below if King have the moves to win dancing dynamite.
You wanna see it?
Jagger.
Hey, get them piece of the waistline. Aye. Hey.
Minerva!
Come get them piece of the. Hey. Aye, Jackson. Hey, we're dancing dynamite there.
I enter next year.
Mm-hmm.
You know, come watch me. I
Yeah.
enter dancing dynamite next year. Must win.
Yeah, my boss. Comment down below if King have the moves to win dancing dynamite.
You wanna see it?
Jagger.
Hey, get them piece of the waistline. Aye.
Yo, them dead.
No, sir.
Them
Yeah.
dead. You wanna dance like me?
Mm.
You need to come over King&Ally.
Yeah, guys. I will love the support that we're getting. Share out the content on the road to 1K, guys. I remember, check out Miss Jean down at town, the good ground food, them, the good seasoning, all that good stuff.
Yeah, Miss Jean,
Reasonable prices.
Pick up yourself, Mama Jean. I think not normal.
So touchdown again. So touchdown.
So colorful. You know you roll. You rock. Totally, man.
Totally, man. What?
Yo, I rather eat bun breadfruit than uncooked breadfruit.
True. Rather abundant and cook though.
I see them turn, kind of soft. So, then hard to turn, then hard to judge. Them say push it down in the heart. Well, we'll see what I go on.
Yeah, but watch out, guys. It will look more because see, I see some green.
No, that
right.
don't say no cook. Not you see green.
You sure?
Not because they see green. This is not brown god there, so.
Whatever. Cut that. Can't follow up King, you know. See Drew they are dead with laugh.
Any other king of mackerel thing?
Watch him.
Which one of the mackerel thing you want to be?
Grace.
The spicy one?
The spicy.
Or the original?
Spicy. I don't know my hot and spicy already. Yeah guys, I will aki them over here so. Fully pick out and all these things ready for boil up. See the remains there? Them they not good. I don't know. Yeah guys, so King I turn the breadfruit them. Yeah, for check though. Cause them little.
Them ain't already yet, man.
But still check.
You know, so you take my years of experience. The joke.
Nobody not talk about years of experience, brother.
Sure, I'll cuss you know.
I can't bother with him now. Careful, no?
I cook from idea I'm eating. I'm not off, I cook from idea I'm a toe.
Okay.
I cook from idea I'm eating. I'm not off, I cook from idea I'm a toe.
Wicked and lie?
Oh.
Secret and lies,
All I know
you.
can tell you that.
What my name?
Ivan Hope. Muta Baroka.
Pure smoke, guys. If you can't take the heat, stay out of the kitchen. No, sir. Breadfruit, them look good. You're jealous, though. You're jealous. Get your plate. Send over your plate. Send over your plate. Everybody in my WhatsApp, I come text me and ask me about crab. Sure. Send over on the plate, man. Sure. Yes, so turn them. I make them roast on the side then now. You don't know they are Bill vibes. Give them piece of the dance. Come with them here and give them piece of the dance. Yeah guys, King never want bust the dance and him no want bust it. Him alone want dance. So we're gonna check the breadfruit for see if it roast. You know ready? Show them the knife, no make them see.
No, ready.
No, me answer show them the knife to make them see what I go on. Two of them not ready guys, see? Breadfruit still up on the tip. So them can roast to come more. So we are catching them back again when we are give them a final check to see what time it is, right? Yeah guys, we are give them a check. You realize say night come down. Hi man.
I never me tell you go do it. I never me saying you go do it.
Hi man. Never me saying you go do it. Yeah guys, so we are gonna get on with our ackee now. So we are gonna mud up the pot. You don't know how that go? See mud there no? Mud there. Yeah guys, mud up the pot. Want water, turn on the pipe there. Yeah guys, and you don't know the reason why we are mud up the pot? To prevent it to prevent the pot from black up. Yeah. Don't know them style there. If you don't know them style there, you learn it now. Over here so first you see this, right? See that? My king. Real weird though. Get the pot on the fire, wash up your hand and full of water in there. Night something, you know. You see that guys? Tell me if this not give a low key campfire vibe. That's about it. You think we need more than that? Turn off the pipe, please. Yeah, guys. Breadfruit, them roast up and thing, you know, though. Don't know what's a little from this. Our ackee are going in a pot when the pot start bubble up. And you don't know, mukbang, look a bit from this too. So forward, when ackee are going in a pot, we'll come back, guys. Yeah, guys, so see, night I come, we have King this, I cut up the seasoning, the good things, right? And we have our ackee them in a frame. You don't know the vibe, night cooking, campfire vibe. Right this way at the door. Right this saw. See this guys, anything for the tube, you know. See that? Watch him too, know. Top chef, you know. Check him in. Knife skills, pan key.
You know, say no easy some of the time if you deal, you know.
Make them see. Let them see what I go on. Watch knife skills. Good knife skills. Look at that, man. Hey.
You know, say.
Hey. Watch that. Sure, guys.
It's a freehand again.
No.
What do you call that style, you know?
The one they put up the paw them, you know.
In every cutting you do, you have to make sure you have your claws to prevent you from getting cut. Should I take him in? Hey, take him in. Take him in. True. Bad chef nah. See Drew there? Take in the, hey. Yeah guys, Drew try take in the cooking, you know. I watch out the good cooking video them and only need to do the same thing too. But get
learn to cook for woman, you know.
yeah. Baby girl you might learn. You see me?
You know. Big up yourself.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Hey, just your name alone spark up the man there and the man face and watch him peer blush over there, so.
Yourself.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Hey, just your name alone spark up the man there and the man face and watch him peer blush over there, so. Chira. Chana man. Don't play no. Chef Reed at work. Remember I told you. Yeah guys. Don't know go at work already. Seasoning them right this so. Make the knife do it work. Run. Feel me? In. Yeah guys, and if you're not subscribed to our cooking channel yet, go over there. Cooking with Chef Reed and Chef Alexander. All the good cooking content. We cater for everybody, or vegan, pescatarian, meat lovers, everybody, pasta lovers, you know. We have a whole playlist, you know.
Talk to me.
Draw. Yeah, hey. And draw watch closely now. Yeah, my boy. Take it in. Yeah, take it in.
I don't want to miss nothing.
Nothing.
I'm going to cook for dinner.
Yeah. See that? As if hear the name, you know. Petit. Yeah, guys. Really sweet, you know. Guys, and when you're cooking, garlic is a must. Garlic has a very good flavor and it has a lot of health benefits, guys. If you don't believe me, research it and see it for yourself. Garlic, very good for cooking. In. Yeah, man. Scotch bonnet. Take time with this, you know. If you're not from the Caribbean or locally, then pepper here. Very hot, so you have to caution with it. See, I use only half.
Alright, so you know the
And the pepper smell hot, man. You could check on the water if it start boil up yet. Put in with ackee. Hey! Sure, go for ackee them, my boss. Ready, and guys, these are butter ackee, so them cook really fast. We have to keep a close eye. We just want them firm and al dente, right? And you don't know it go undergo cooking. Everything we do, we must have flavor and taste, some pepper and salt. I mean salt. No, sir, guys. Really sweet, is it?
Yes, on the sewer one. Bang, bang, boom.
So forward. Okay, fully cook you now, you know. So watch closely. One go, countryman style. Campfire vibe.
Well, let's shine pan them, my brother. Careful when they get burned, pat. Show it down fast, because that's what you. Alright.
Yeah.
Right,
One go. We don't need to wash out the pot because we just don't take out the ackee. And it will cook up back in there. Some oil. Don't know. Not too much though. Ackee have a lot of oil. Watch the cholesterol. Feel me? All your nutritionists over here. Yeah, guys. So see. King I go round up the seasoning. Yeah. Don't know the vibe. Think it ready for going? Yeah, man.
The king.
No, you know my boss. You don't know cook until translucent.
15 man.
Yeah, guys.
From my idea, I'm too.
And we are going to cook until translucent to extract all this flavor. You don't know we go at work.
All that's coming together, guys.
Coming together nicely. We are going to...
That's coming like a perfume.
For the kitchen.
No, for the road.
The road. Yeah, guys. You don't know, if you don't subscribe to our cooking channel yet, go over there and subscribe. Bad chef, nah. Sure, watch bad flip. Sure, yeah, guys. Hey, you better watch. Yeah, man.
You know we?
Yeah, make that go and sweat out a little bit and get aromatic.
Right now, I feel MADDDDD.
Mad. Sure.
E
P.
I C.
Epic, yeah, guys.
I know I feel MADDDDD.
Mad. Sure.
E
P.
I C.
Epic, yeah, guys. Come check by the pot, boy, you're epic.
Alright, so what me I talk about?
Get carried away, man.
You are a distraction, man.
Me a distract you. Can't add in the ackee them now, you know, love.
No, that's when my season is cooked properly, man.
Okay, baby.
All of that
Flavor.
Sure.
Aye. Oh, yeah.
Time and just sprinkle that salt and pepper and flip him again. Oh, shit.
Give me the flip again. Give me the flip again.
Flip it again.
Aye.
Flip it again.
Who are you?
Oh, yeah.
Time and just sprinkle that salt and pepper and flip him again. Oh, shit.
Give me the flip again. Give me the flip again.
Flip it again.
Aye.
Flip it again. And again. Talk to me.
Hey, guys. You don't know? And we have the ackee them over here in our pan, right?
Ready then,
Ready them ready. You guys. You don't know how we go at work already?
Okay.
Fully cooked. Taste it and show them, my boss. Hi.
And you leave them the spice. Yo, people.
Guys, are them food, they are king food. Remember, king are vegan, you know.
Hey.
Give them piece of the again. Give them piece of the
Bang.
Aye. Aye.
Trouble no man.
Shovel, no man.
Come here, run with the one delicate.
Shovel. Come look at the pot. So me have to keep him reminded about the pot, guys.
Right now, I'm under vibes like white rum.
Yeah. Inna the vibes, you know. Telling me alright, you know. Pass the wooden spoon. Brother. Wooden spoon. See that?
Dive in.
The wooden spoon.
I want no wood rum. I want no wooden spoon.
I don't know what do we now.
What do you say? The stick spoon.
Wooden spoon. In everything we do, we must have flavor, salt and pepper. Keep it light. Keep it light to watch your cholesterol. Salt consumption. Give me a bad flip. Hey. Aye. Hey. Them don't know we, my boss.
Bang, bang, boom.
Hey. 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 Aye. 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 Get it down. Get it down. Nice. Them dead. People dead. Yeah, guys. I see why we have breadfruit at the side there, so we keep it.
I'll tell them
Guys,
we keep it anonymous for now.
Alright. And we have our, wings and cake link up coming soon.
Yes,
check out our Instagram for the poster. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Watch dancing. My dancer. My dancer. My dancer. Give him facial expression. Facial expression. Hey. Hey. Aye. And Judas and then we laugh. Hey. Check on the pot. Hey. And wait do.
Guys, I don't know what this though.
Ready.
R-E-A-D-Y.
Ready. Yeah, guys. So, we are going to jump right in at the mukbang.
So
you see me?
Start peel up the breadfruit something, yeah?
You
know the thing. Alright, so we sit down and eat around the fire, yeah? We're not going nowhere.
Aye. Got it. Watch food. White foot. Hey, got it. You be sat down, Drew. Got it. Got it. Got it. Hey, white foot. Hey, kneel on to. Kneel on to. Kneel on to. Hey, guinea piece. Hey, kneel on to. Kneel on to. Ay, dancing dynamite.
Yo, the man have to take off his slippers, bro.
Bad.
Yo, the man have to take off his slippers.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so it's like me
Take off the pot, man. Catch it to the side, right? Alright, right up there, so.
Right there.
Right there.
Right there without fear.
Alright, guys. So
I want some green bush in this for run mosquito now.
for true, yeah. Run mosquito.
Yeah. Run mosquito.
Run mosquito. Run mosquito. Run mosquito. Run mosquito. Run mosquito dance. Run mosquito again. Run mosquito. Run mosquito. Hey, run mosquito. Catching it. Clap them now. Oh, you clap them. Clap them. Hey, clap them. Hey, clap them. Clap them. Clap them.
May I try for dancing dynamite next year, people? Wanna vote for me? Now go dance.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Think all the music me do?
Hey.
Think all the music me do?
Hey.
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 Yo, pop my collar there.
Hey,
Pop
pop
my
off the
collar
man
there.
collar.
What up from hey?
What I'm on him? What I'm
Blue shirt and all that water punch out.
Yeah, guys, me a challenge Rolly for give that man a thumb out or razor. So tag them in the video, make them see this.
No man, really too thick. You idiot. You idiot.
We want King from King and Shay.
Yo, King not so bad.
Alright then.
Rolly, you mad?
You want razor?
Yes, a man big and thick.
Who you want razor
You want
Clyde?
me can't go back a grand spend?
Who you want razor
Leave me
Clyde?
alone, you know. Leave me alone.
Yeah, guys. So we are catching you back when we are dealing with the mukbang. Was so forward. No man, can I close out the video, no man?
Yo, until next time.
No, the third for today is have good vibe, good energy, positivity.
Yo, no, the thought for today is what some man where you par with some girl where your wife up my friend give me a knife cut. Bang, bang, boom.
We're out.
We're out.